Today we're visiting the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center, where they work with sea turtles through FAU. It's really cool. So here's a tank of stingrays, and then right next to that they have some little sea turtles that they're rehabilitating. It's so cute. Aww. Here's one of the rehabilitation sea turtles. Oh. Come back, little buddy. Here's another sea turtle. I think he got hit by a boat.
Yeah.
But he's so cute.
Wildlife.
Nemo and Dory exploring in here in this little tank.
Yeah, who knew there were Gumbo Limbo hiding in Boca Raton?
Here's a sea turtle. He's kind of not very active, but hopefully he's the smaller one because the loggerhead we saw next door was a baby. It's supposed to be 300 to 400 pounds.
Thank you very much.
You walk through today?